Here says Sarah will buy X watch and Y clocks for her shop. The watch costs £25 each and the clocks cost £40 each. She needs at least 4 watches and 5 clocks uh, and can spend at most £1,000 on the purchase. Part A, it says find the constraint of the variable x and y. So I get watch x and clock y. So I say x should be at least 4. So x should be more than or equal 4. I can't accept x less than 4 and y should be at least 5. So y should be more than or equal 5. Now it says at the total she should spend at most $1,000 for buying watches that each cost £25. I don't know the number of watches, so I know each only costs £25. So I write 25 times x, 25 times the number of watches plus clock cost 40 each times how many clocks I don't know, but it's the total money she had to pay that should be less than or equal 1,000. All this inequality is constraint of these variables x and y. I will go for part B. For part B, it says graph the simplest described by the constraint. It says if I get the horizontal axis x and vertical axis y, it says x should be more than 4. So I get 4 here and it says x should be more than 4. I draw a line here. Which show my x would be more than 4 here. The region I accept my x. How about y? It says y should be more than 5. So I get y here more than 5 if it's 5 here. So again I draw a line. Here that shows my y would be more than 5. So this region, the region that x is more than 4, x is more than 4, and y is more than, we see it's a region that's y is more than 5 and x is more than 4. Now I will go for the third one that says I try to make it as a line 25 x plus 40y equals 1000. If I want to draw this line, for example, if I get y0, I will have x equals 40, which is here. I try to draw this line, and if I put x0, I will get y 25. I can say it's almost here, 25. I put x0 and 25. When I put x0 here, I will get y equals 25. And if I put y0, I will get x equals 40. If we know how should draw a line, I need 2 points of this line. Now I try to join these 2 points here. I try to join them. Okay, here it's my line. And we know, as I said, only this region is acceptable, that I say y larger than 5, x larger than 4, and the money that she spent should be less than 1000. So it's the line of 25x plus 40y equals 1000. So the region I can accept is this region. Every x in this region and every y in this region would be acceptable for us. This region would be acceptable.